How to turn off link sharing on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Photos application over here on your device and then tap on the icon over here where you can share. So which is at the top of the screen, so tap on it. As I do that, you can see all the shared albums, or if anybody has shared with you, if you have shared with anybody, you can see all the files here. So I'm going to tap on one of these albums over here, and as I do that, you can see the files over here. So you just have to tap on three dotted lines at the top right corner. Then here you can see the option of options, so tap on it. As I do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of link sharing. So right now it's toggled on, so people with the link can see the photos and people in this album. So what you need to do is simply toggle off this option and delete link, and you'll be able to turn off the link sharing on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.